Hello.
Hello.
How
Hi. I'm fine. How are you?
I'm good. What's your name?
My name is Tonma Bosu. I'm from India. What's your name?
My name's Avery. I'm from Texas.
Yeah. What's your name?
Avery?
Spelling, please.
Avery?
Every.
Yeah.
My name is Tonma Bosu. I'm from India.
Tanmay Busu. Basu.
That's it.
Okay.
You're quite right.
Do you have a
So,
nickname?
no, not really. I don't have any nickname.
Okay, because it's very long.
Have you?
Like Tanmay Basu. Tanmay
Yeah.
Basu. It's very long.
Yeah. You-
Sometimes people like shorten my name instead of Avery. They just call me like but maybe just for lazy
Yeah.
people. Like me, actually. Yeah.
So, uh, I just want to have a general topic to discuss with you.
Okay.
And and if- and also I want to know the how to use some conditional sentences like if or uh, see if I say if it will rain I will not if it will rain I will not go to school.
Ah,
Is,
yes.
is it okay? Is it
I
okay? Or if I
have
say if it rains I will not go to school.
you said like, yeah, if it rains, I wouldn't go
I
to
will not go to
school.
school.
But I actually have. Maybe you've done this before. Where is it? Here.
Yeah.
Conditionals. Have you seen this page before?
No,
Okay, well,
no,
this is
no.
exactly what you want. Right. So when you talk about conditionals, we have real conditionals,
Hmm.
which means real, like something can happen, it might happen.
Hmm.
Like
Yeah.
if I leave now, I can get there on time,
Then,
right? And then you have
yeah.
unreal
Yeah,
conditionals.
can I ask you something?
Yeah, of course you can.
Can I? Yes, yes. I just if it remains in my screen all the time when I watch my videos second time, third time, that time I can watch also this video. What you have shown in this screen.
I want to say yes. I think
Okay,
I
then.
think when you rewatch the video, whatever is here, you'll be able to see again. I think.
That will help me.
But
Yeah.
also, this is in the
So
library if you want to review it.
yeah. So when something real conditionals, then if I leave now, I can get there on time.
Yeah, exactly. And then unreal, something that cannot happen. So if I left now, you can notice
Yeah.
it's past tense, right?
Yeah. If I left now, yeah.
I could get there on time.
I could get there. On time.
Yeah.
It is in past tense.
Yeah. Yeah. The left.
But these words do not mean the past.
Yeah.
If I left now, means if I leave now, I cannot leave now.
It's like
Yeah.
saying, like, if I leave now, I'll get there on time, right? That's like, oh, okay, I'm going to go. I'm going. If I say, if I left now, I could get there on time, it means I could leave now, but I'm not going to. And that's why we use the past tense, even though it's in this moment right
Yeah.
now. I'm not moving. No, no. Yeah. So is this what you're talking about when you want to
So
practice? Yeah, go ahead.
so like suppose uh, if it was raining, I couldn't go there. It means that it was not raining. It is not raining right now, so I can get there.